so you want to add a test to a course you've already created. As an administrator, go to your main dashboard. Click Courses, enter a course, click Add Content, and hit Add Test. Give your test a name, write a description, and go to Advanced Settings. Here you can set the test duration, the passing score, and the completion rules. Let's set the test to show one question at a time. If a learner fails a test, we'll let them retake it up to 3 times and only repeat the questions they got wrong. Now that you've created a test, you'll want to add questions. In this video, I'll show you how to add a multiple choice question and a drag and drop question. For a simple multiple choice question, just type your question, add all the possible answers, and check the correct one. If you want to, you can also add weight to your question by including a difficulty level. You can choose to add feedback that'll show up after learners submit their answer. Hit Save. Now let's add a drag and drop type of question. Again, type your question, define the matching pairs, and add weight to the question if you want to. Your questions are now added to the list and are automatically included in the test. To exclude a question from your test, go to your test questions, go to the Use column, and click on the Yes button to switch it to No. To save time, you can add questions you've already created in other lessons. Click Show Questions From, and use the filters to find the questions you'd like to include. Again, click the No button to change it to Yes, and your question will be added. Click View Test to see how it looks.